This is it, second day of Blackwing Yu-Gi-Oh! Anime sleeve on the right hand. I'm going now to one of my mates to swap the vehicles because obviously I can't drive the truck much because of the whole engine issue. So it's not gonna last till London, till Bristol. So I have to go and swap cars. I'm gonna drive his Mercedes. And yeah, later tonight I'm gonna get back on the truck and drive it home. Currently I'm driving it just a little bit every so often, just yeah, so it doesn't create a bigger problem, and I stay on top of the coolant and everything else because I have an engine issue, maybe a head gasket, maybe a block crack or something like this. So yeah, as you know, I'm about to send it home to get it repaired. Until then, I still need to commute to places. So it's, yeah, we'll be taking the Mercedes today. C220, white edition. Thank you, Sunny, for letting me borrow your car. Cheers. Here we are, on the way to my mate's house to pick up the other car. I have at the back some goods in the white bag. Whoop. So yeah, I'm gonna go and pick up the Mercedes and then I'll be on my way to Bristol. I might be a little bit late as it's already, what, 9:22 and I have about 2 hours drive to there, so hopefully by 11:30 I'll be able to make it. And today's day 2 of the whole sleeve thing, so we'll see how that goes. I believe we're gonna finish the outline on the rest of the sleeve, but we might as well just start filling up stuff. Last time we spent 3 to 4 hours on the design, so that ate a massive chunk of the time that we had that day. So today we already know what we're doing, so we should be able to get a lot more done today than we did last time. But yeah, it's quite cool. Take you on this journey also. There it is. There we are. Some of you might know, but I used to drive one of these beauties back in the day before I got the pickup truck. Well, yeah, it's as if you're sitting on the ground compared to the, obviously, to the Ford, because it's quite low. So I have to, yeah, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get used to it. House. Bristol, here we are. Another probably 7-8 minutes until the car park and then 5-minute walk to the studio. Almost all black. Айде живото ти си. We go and make them. Hold my chewing gum. На български отивам да ги правя и да ми дръж дъвката. Защото направо подявам, ей. Звънаха ми да ме проверят къде съм. Викам on my way, с таким трафик малко закъснях, ама отивам, на време съм. Почти. Така че, here we go. Bristol City Centre. And I just stepped on something, but anyway. Живей си, мило мое, живота за какво е. Е, това е. Благодаря ти. Thank you, mother, for making me a pop folk listener. Защото всичко стана. Чалгар. Правя се там, че харесвам метал, ама то тя душата си знае. Няма какво. By the way, my legs are done. Maybe not the best idea to train legs today, but yeah, 3 stairs and lactic acid just builds up like seriously, you know. But here we are, 2 minutes away. Малкия с черни коси, нека моето име носи, да си знаят две. Хайде. Ус. Adidas gormuşka. Ili Nike, tvasamanti. Правим всякакви субстанции. Твоята иска сме вечерни танци, ама после ще е извън, защото съм с махленици. Ето го. И разбира се, ме пак ми се пикае. Ама няма ядки. Виж пи. Ей са.
One day stop tattooing, I will become a barista. Downstairs. A gente não consegue usar das mesmas táticas da mesma forma que alguém que sabe ser famosinho, vamos supor. Aí ele apresenta uma tática de forma.
Dude, the one on the shoulder looks sick.
Yeah. It's gonna look even better with the proper shading in the background.
A touch of color somewhere.
Show this one. Yeah. The base of the composition.
Yeah,
I'll flex the muscles. Nice.
Oh, day 2 in the books. Whew. Yeah, I think the most painful part today was around the rear delts and the armpit, and then over here on the chest. That was painful, but the outline is done. The one that's going in the folding of the arm is going to be shaded in next time, and then the elbow as well. There's not going to be much line work. There will be more shading into that shape, so that's quite cool. So next time we're starting to work on the background, as far as I'm aware. Today they completed all the line work, so this is all the grueling, the painful part is all done. And yeah, now off the way off to the car or whatever that is. But yeah, it felt like today just went quicker, and there's a lot of detail in one of them. The backlast, which is over here on the bicep. That was a lot of work, that was, yeah, but I'll show you when I get home or tomorrow morning how cool. As you can probably tell, I just washed it. So we've got, hold on, let me reverse the camera. We've got Zephyrus, which is over here on the shoulder. Then we have Gust, the backlast, here at the back. You have Dark Blades with Gambare Crow, obviously written in negative. And then on the inside we still have Crow Hogan. Then we have Full Armor Master, and obviously Bora the Spear and Vaio. So that's the thingy done. Just the elbow needs a little bit of work on both ends, on the folding of the arm. But yeah, this is the tat just showered. This is my first wash. I slept with the 4 last night, and then this morning I went to the gym, did about 20 minutes of cardio, did a bit of rehab stuff. I'm just feeling all right. The artist said to keep up the same sort of healing routine, because apparently it worked on this one quite well. So some of these lines, as you can see, they're like mock lines, so they're going to be shaded in. That's why they're so faded and almost disappearing. So they're just for him to know where exactly he's shading and everything else. But yeah, this is it. The shoulder's done. The back of the shoulder is done. The triceps is done. There you go. There we are. Oof.